Hi, this is Dirk from V&V Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Ford Fusion here. Come out of Phoenix, Arizona. Nice clean car. See a few little rock chips on the hood, but not bad for a 100,000 mile car. Got the black wheels, charcoal gray with charcoal interior. Just over 100, 102, 310. There you can see it's got 2 keys. Of course, all your standard features. Power seat. Nice clean interior. Been through our shop, serviced, lined up, ready to go. We sell these with warranty, so they come, set a few things on the hood, a few light scratches there. Comes with warranty that covers the drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical, so really good coverage. And it's a 12-month, 12,000 mile coverage we give you. And we recommend you add on to that as the repair costs have went through the roof. So you can see a passenger's power seat too. So really nice car, just over 100,000 miles, excellent shape, no rust. 605-692-7010.